Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a Cupid. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artists, we're gonna start here in the center of the paper and then we're gonna move a little bit to the left. Let's do first a letter C, and this is the ear of this little boy Cupid. And now we're gonna do a letter U that goes around, and we're gonna finish at the same distance that we're doing the letter C. So it's gonna look like this. I'm going to the right, and then I wanna start going up, and I wanna stop right there. You see how this curve is very long and wide. Now, in here, we're gonna do two more. We're gonna extend this one up a little. And now we're gonna do one more up. This is kind of like his cheeks and his forehead. Next, we're gonna do curly hair. So we're gonna start that curly hair all around these lines, and we're gonna do first curves. They look like letter C's. They go all together, and they are different sizes. Like I'm doing bigger ones on the top, and I'm going around until I reach the other side and I stop here. Now let's do the inside of this curly hair, and I want to connect from this letter C to this other line that I did in the other side. So let's start doing these letter C. So this time they're going backwards. We're going up and connect. The next thing will be do the face, and let's start with one eye, and we're gonna do a big circle, and then we're gonna leave a finger space, and let's do the other eye, and this one is gonna be close, like he's winking because he's trying to aim somebody. The next thing inside this eye, we're gonna do another circle, a half a circle in the center. And on the top side and on the right, we're gonna do a little circle, which is gonna be the shine of the eye. And we're gonna do a second one. It looks like a number 8. And we're gonna color with black around this number 8. Next, we're gonna do a little smile, and we're gonna go underneath the eye, really close to the first eye. And to make it look more like he's aiming, we're gonna do a little tongue that is sticking out of his mouth, just with the letter U, an upside down letter U. The last thing will be putting eyebrows with two little lines on the top of the eyes pointing to the middle. Next thing will be the back. We're gonna do a line that goes out to the left side, and it goes down and it starts curving. Okay? Here, curve and curve. The other side, we're gonna start with the hand. So we're gonna do a letter U, and this one is gonna be long. And I went in really close to the eye, underneath this eye. Underneath, we're gonna do another curve, and it's gonna go down. And I'm leaving a space in between these two lines, about 1 finger space. Now, let's do here on the back, here on this curve, we're gonna do another one that goes in. And this is gonna mark where kind of like his diaper he's wearing. Now here in this space we leave, we're gonna do a letter U, and this is a big one. This is his leg. And to finish this one, we're gonna do another one. Nice letter U. Next thing will be the other feet. So we're gonna do another letter U, very little one. We're gonna join with the tummy, and then that's it. Underneath the arm, we're gonna do another little curve for the other arm. And now let's do the bow. We're gonna start here over the cheek, going down and connect with the hand. And let's try to make this line double if you still have room. Now let's go down with a curve and another one. And here on the bottom, we're gonna do kind of like a funny curve that goes up. Okay, it's kind of like a circle. From this hand, we're gonna do a line to the bow, and from this hand, a line that goes out for the arrow, And on the top of the arrow, we're gonna do a heart shape to finish it. The last thing is the wings, and we're gonna start here from this ear until we get to his bottom. So we're gonna go a curve, and these look like very long letter C's, and they are starting turning when we go to the bottom. And then that's it! We finished this Cupid. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my Cupid turned out. You can change all these colors, change the color of the skin, the diaper, all of the hair. You can do the hair even differently. You can add a message around here or add more hearts. Something that I add at the end when this color was dry was the belly button with a little dot and a letter C for the nose. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!